Award-winning split design. Advanced ergonomics for all body types and preferences via adjustable split, splay, and tenting accessories sold separately. New cable storage compartment supports up to 20 of separation when you need it. Genuine Cherry mechanical switches for premium typing feel and performance with less noise. Cherry MX Silent Red mechanical switches feature a low activation force, linear feel and are rated for 50 key presses for unmatched durability. Full onboard programmability with the driverless SmartSet engine. 9 custom layouts, 8 office hotkeys, on-the-fly macro recording, 1 touch key remapping, pre-configured Mac and Dvorak layouts, settings saved to keyboard's 4 MB flash memory, and the SmartSet App GUI for Windows Mac. Plug and play with all major operating systems, Windows 7 to 10, Mac OS X, Linux, Chrome. 2-year manufacturer's warranty. Buy with confidence knowing that Kinesis engineers all our products in the USA to the highest standards and stands behind them 100% since 1992. Top reviews from the United States. Much better feel than the Freestyle 2. This is basically identical to the Freestyle 2 I had been using for years, but the switches are much better. I can type faster and more accurately. I tried another model with the Cherry MX brown switches and didn't like it as much. Neither worked with any of the KVM switches I tried them with, so I just got a KM switch and changed the video input manually on the display.